Hi, I'm glad you're here. This is Peg, and today's video is for Gina B. Aaron's design team. And we are doing mark making for the month of October. Now, I can't think of any more fun way to do mark making than to use this fantastic rubber stamp set on my gel plate. So I am just using some Colorbox pigment inks and stamping out the image onto my plate. I'd put a layer of white pigment ink down first, and there were, grungy loveliness underneath because, I rarely clean my plate, and I like all that grunginess, so that's where I started from. And then I got this oatmeal colored cardstock, an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock makes 2 cards. So I'm going to use my sheet of printed paper for making 2 greeting cards. You can make them quick and easy just by cutting down a piece of gel printed paper, mounting it onto another piece of paper, and voila, we have greeting cards. And you can have them say anything you want. I mean, you can use all kinds of things, to do lettering and stuff on here. I'm going to use another stamp set to finish these cards out. But in the meanwhile, I'm not done stamping because I have fun with inks and stamps. I like to get them out. I like rubber. What can I say? Gotta play, right? So I'm going to just use some double stick tape it down onto some matting paper because I like to have, some other border on there. Makes it look a little more finished. And once I've done that, then I'm going to grab my next stamp set. I'm going to stamp a sentiment for the front of my card, glue it all up, and pretty much be done with that. But, the thing I like about Gina's stamps the most is that they are red rubber. And if you guys don't know the difference between red rubber and silicone stamps, I suggest you get some red rubber stamps because it makes all the difference in the world. They're good quality, deep etched, stamped beautifully, and they are going to last you a lifetime. So that's pretty much it for me this month. I hope you enjoyed this. If you use the link to Gina's store, it's going to give you a 15% discount on your purchases. And I hope that you get your gel plate out and some ink and some of Gina's red rubber stamps and have fun. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again next time. Remember to be kind. If you are new to my channel and you like this kind of content, then please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notification. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.